Today on Cold Email Teardowns, we are looking at a conversion rate optimization via web development script. We're going to tear it down. We're going to build it back up into a high converting cold email. Who am I? I'm the Cold Email King. We've sent millions of cold emails, generated over $100 million in leads. I'm the author of Cold Email Manifesto. Used to run a lead generation company that made over $1 million a month. Our team has asked the internet for their cold emails, and here is one from Abdullahi. And he is selling conversion rate optimization via web development. So let's look at this email. But before I show you this email and before we tear it down, if you wouldn't mind liking this video and subscribing for more videos like this. We do a ton of cold email content on this channel, and I would love to share it with you. So go ahead, like this video, and subscribe down below. Now, let's look at this email from Abdullahi. Hey Alex, huge fan of your work. I'm Abdul, and I help service providers like you get clients from their website by optimizing it for conversions. Reaching out because I've helped similar companies to yours convert more clients with a few simple changes to their website, and I think I can help you too. Do you have time for a call this week or next to hear how I can help you get more clients through your website? Signature. P.S. Simple reply with no thanks if you don't want to hear from me. In this email from Abdul, he sent 231 and got 142 opens. He then disabled open tracking, and he ended up with 8 replies, 1 positive, so 7 negative replies. He didn't give a subject line, which means I can't give feedback on it. But what did he get? 142 out of 231. He's missing some key data here. I don't know the bounce rate. I don't have the other contents of the replies. Like, why was it 1 positive reply? What did that look like? There's all sorts of question marks here. I'm going to do my best, but we're missing a lot of data to do a full cold email audit here. So Abdul, next time, get on it. If you want real feedback, got to give the data we need. Here is my conversion optimization tip, by the way. I would say he's actually good at conversion rate optimization, because instead of saying his name is Abdullahi, he is calling himself Abdul, which I can easily pronounce as an American. So you did it. You did my tip that I didn't want to say, which is good, which is make your name simpler for people in your target country to read and pronounce. Let's talk about what's working from this campaign, because he did get 1 positive response, and he is getting a 60% open rate, which means the lead quality is high. He must be using LeadShark. He did disable open tracking at an 80% open rate, and he got 8 replies. 7 were not positive. So let's look at what he's doing right. He's personalizing the first line of every email. That encourages replies, even negative replies, which might be the reason why he's getting 8 replies on this, even though only 1 is interested. I'm Abdul, and I help service providers like you get clients from their website by optimizing it for conversion. So I would hone in on what this means. I help service providers like you. What is a service provider? Is it agency owners? Target is agency owners. Offer is conversion rate optimization. Just helped an agency in Chicago optimize their homepage for conversions, and we increased their monthly lead flow by 1.86x without driving any new traffic. Notice the difference between these case studies, and I really want you to notice it, because this is an issue that a lot of people have. They think going more general helps, but it doesn't. So which of these is more persuasive? I've helped similar companies to yours convert more clients with a few simple changes to their website, and I think I can help you too. Versus, just helped an agency in Chicago optimize their homepage for conversions, and we increased their monthly lead flow by 1.86% without driving any new traffic. I would buy the second one every day. So now that we have the target, the offer, and the case study, we can go about writing a cold email campaign. Our cold email campaigns follow the 3 C's, which is compliment, case study, call to action. You start with a personalized compliment, then you hit them with the case study, then you ask for a meeting. This email pretty much already follows the 3 C's, but there are some changes to be made. So let's start with the subject line. For this one would be quick question, although he's getting an 80% open rate, so I would keep whatever subject line he's using that he didn't happen to share here. So first line will be the same. Hey Alex, huge fan of your work. I'm Abdul, and I help service providers like yours get clients from their website by optimizing it for conversions. Service providers like you, I would just replace with agency owners. Just helped an agency in Chicago optimize their homepage for conversions, and we increased their monthly lead flow by 1.86x without driving any new conversions. And I would love to do the same for company name, so X27. Mind if I send over a few times to chat? Thanks, Abdul. So there we go. Now we're talking about a specific case study. What would I change here? And we increased their monthly lead flow by 1.86x. I would actually, for this type of business, talk about the number of leads. So I would actually say we increased our monthly lead flow from 101 per month to 188, and I would love to do the same for X27. Mind if I send over a few times to chat? Thanks, Abdul. And so here is the torn down and rebuilt cold email. Subject, quick question. Hey Alex, huge fan of your work. I'm Abdul, and I help agency owners get more clients without driving any new traffic. Just helped an agency in Chicago optimize their homepage for conversions, and we increased their monthly lead flow from 101 per month to 188, and I would love to do the same for X27. Mind if I send over a few times to chat? Thanks, Abdul. So there we go. Abdul, if you're watching this, if you want to test this email out, let me know what the stats are on the improved email campaign down below. And if you're watching this, everyone that's not Abdul, if you're watching this and you want me to take a look at your cold emails for your business, then the easiest way to do that is to join our private community called Email 10K, where you can talk to me every single week. I'll look at your campaigns, we'll improve them, and we can grow our businesses together. And if you want 200 leads for only $9 for your business, then go to leadshark.com/YouTube and claim that special offer. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman. Smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.